So when I keep one like this, I'll know that all the kids that I have is the father, so that when the youngest reach the age of being served, then I should remove this and bring another one. So I don't do inbreeding. Yeah, that's why I'm keeping only one, and this one can serve all this. Before, people used to think that you cannot milk a goat. And to teach them, we started teaching them, to tell them the importance of goat milk. Until now, they have acquired, they have taken up the education, and now in fact they value goat's milk more than cow's milk, because you'll find that cow's milk is 50 shillings per liter, and goat's milk is 80 shillings per half a liter. So you see, that is when you are buying from the farm. But some hospitals, like now, sometimes I connect with another farmer, and we take the milk to Aga Khan Hospital. So this time the milk is, people are used to the goat's milk, and they find that asthmatic patients, when they use goat's milk, the attacks are reduced. So they use the milk so much. Yeah, like now, I have one client who is buying goat's milk. The market for dairy milk is there, but the milk now is not enough. Yeah, the demand is higher than what we can produce.